Taxpayers, you know what time it is. It is filing time once more in sweet St. Lucia. It is that time of year where you must gather all your tax documents to include in your tax returns. Then you must travel down to one of our locations in Castries, Vieux Fort and Soufrière. Then you must find a parking spot and or walk into the office where you will encounter other taxpayers waiting in line until an officer can assist you. We understand that this can be frustrating for someone who may have other things to do with their time. But what if you didn't have to travel to file your tax returns? What if you could file your tax returns from the comfort of your home or office? Well, we have made it possible for you to safely and accurately fill out, calculate, and submit your tax returns online. Isn't that great? I will show you how. To begin filing online, you first need to log into your account on our e-filing website. If you do not have an account, you can sign up to become an e-user. Just check out our e-registration video on this channel. Go to https://efiling.govt.lc, then log into your account with your username and password. This will take you to the e-filing home screen. Before we proceed, you should have the following documents ready in PDF format. Scanned or photographed digital copies of your TD5 or TD4 forms, or your income statement if you're self-employed, copies of other documented claims you want to attach to your tax return, and this publication, Tax Facts and Calculations. Download this booklet from our main website and it will guide you on all the allowances and deductions you're entitled to when filing your tax return. So let's get started. On the e-filing home screen, go to the Declaration tab on the left column. Click Fill Declaration. Next, select Personal Income Tax Return from the Declaration Form drop menu. Then select the tax year you're filing for and click the Fill New button. Your page will load up into an online version of a tax return form. The first page will have all your personal information preloaded, so you won't have to go through the process again. All you have to do is go into the next section, which you will find in the tabs at the top of the screen. Let's go to Section 2. Section 2 pertains to Schedule A on the form. Your dependents and medical allowance claims are entered here. If you have children, simply enter your child dependents information and your claims for them, as well as your medical insurance and medical bills, like I'm doing right here. Keep your medical bills handy in case we contact you for them. You do not need to upload it. Something important to remember when filing is to constantly use the Save and Validate option. You do this by clicking the icons at the top of your screen, and this will let you know if you did not fill out a required section or whether your figures entered were erroneous. You simply need to amend that information and then save and validate again to make sure they were entered correctly. But we'll look at this further a little later on. Now that you're done with Schedule A, let's go to the next tab where we'll find Schedules B and C, or your future benefits and other allowable deductions claims. In Schedule B, you'll enter the contributions to pension funds and retirement savings plans, premiums paid in life insurance, and NIC contributions. And in Schedule C, you enter any mortgage interests, house insurance, house repairs, credit union shares, travel allowances, and any other deductions made. Don't forget to save and validate. After I have saved and validated a second time, you can see I have fewer errors. However, there is one error in my premium taxes paid for life insurance that I can correct before moving on, and I will do so. I will save and validate again, and as you can see, the error is gone. There's another error that we must address, but we'll look at it in the next tab where we'll find sections 3, 4, and 5. In section 3, I will enter my gross pay for the year as well as any other taxable income, such as commissions paid or bonuses. If you earned a pension, you can enter it here as well as your business income. Use the tax facts and calculations to assist. As you can see in section 4, the data from the previous sections have all been automatically tallied, entered, and calculated to determine the amount of tax you should pay for the year. Under payments and credits, I will enter any PAYE or contract tax paid on my behalf during the year. Then select how I want my refund paid to me. I'll choose by check. I will save and validate to determine whether or not I have a refund, and I have a refund. However, there is one last error. That is, I need to attach my supporting documents. I will click Attachments on the top right corner, then select Upload Attachments. Select Attachment Type, and then give a short description of the document I'm submitting. I will upload the scanned digital copy of whatever documents I have. I can repeat the process if I want to. Then I will save the attachment and close when I'm finished. And then I will save and validate the entire document one last time to make sure I have no errors, which I do not. So now that my tax return is ready to submit, I will click the Submit button on the top right corner. Then I will confirm submission of my return as being true and complete and click Submit Document, and that's it. I have completed my tax return online. I'll just click Return to Portal to go back to the home page, and I can now check the status of my tax return by clicking Declarations History on the left hand side. Now, as a final note, let's just go over a few tips to remember when filing. Clear scanned digital copies or photographs are accepted. Always save your declaration or return form as you go. Always validate to make sure there are no errors. Click on the error warning to go directly to where it is. And as a bonus, click Save then Back to exit and file later. Now, wasn't that easy? While everyone else is stuck on long lines, you have beaten the line, saved on precious time, doing whatever you want by filing online. So sign up as an e-user and file online today. For further assistance, call us at 468-4714-4730 or 4766 or 725-8079-8080-8166 or 8180, or visit our website irdstlucia.gov.lc. The Inland Revenue Department, serving you in serving our country.